How fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up? Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. If you are missing Facebook Marketplace on your Facebook, make sure you don't miss any step to get it back. So open Facebook. Here on top of your screen, you can see different navigation buttons. So what you need to do is simply hold on any of the navigation buttons for a few seconds. You can hold any of them. And then you will get this kind of pop-up. Here on bottom of your screen, you will see this option, Customize your tab. So click on that. Now search for Marketplace. For me, it's in the bottom of my screen. And here you can see it is hidden. So simply click on this hidden icon. Now you will see this pop-up. So click on this pin icon. Now go back to your Facebook homepage. Now here you can see I have successfully got Facebook Marketplace back. If it is still missing on your device, simply restart your Facebook app or make sure it is updated to the latest version. This is how you get Facebook Marketplace back on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.